Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are watching this updated video lecture for to improve your knowledge levels with basic standards. Yes, if you learn JavaScript basics standards very clearly, you will make a wonders using JavaScript. Yes, we are going to explaining today a ChatGPT session how it will be helpful for you in coding. Yes, if you understand how to use a ready-made code, how to apply, what exactly the basic understanding. Yes, you can directly take a program and use it. Yes, taking a ChatGPT is an AI tool, open source, using Google or Microsoft account to create a free account and utilize, and it's creating a programs for you. Yes, let's see. Create a basic calculator basic calculator program in JavaScript. See, using JavaScript or in JavaScript, how you understand, you just write it. See ChatGPT how it is supporting. Yes, ChatGPT is understand my query, and here is a basic calculator program using add, subtract, multiplication and dividing of two numbers. It is initiating with the help of, see, it is a creating HTML file first, and it's making a body design how the calculator is going to be displaying in the HTML. Yes, once it is created, yes, it is making a function. So if you understand how like the function is created in JavaScript and how to make a document.getElement by ID, that ID, which is the ID, is going to be accepting from the text box IDs. If you understand very clearly what is let, what is variable, in the basics we are already explained very clearly. If you gone through all add function, subtract function, multiplication function, divide function, and it is under body and a script tag is created and it is written. So how beautifully the program is created, and also an advantage of this program is simple calculator. It is explaining how to use and what are the steps you need to take in care. So integrate in your program. So strongly learn basics from this course. Strongly. Once you know what is what, just program will create ChatGPT. Take a support and ask your requirement as independent queries. Yes, take a code, completely copy code and practice. By practicing yourself more and more basic understanding, you will make wonders. I wish you good luck. If you feel this video lecture helpful for you, make a comment on ratings. I wish you good luck. All the best. Thank you.